Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to clean the throttle body in my Celica. There is actually nothing wrong with it. I'm just curious about its condition. I've had the car 6 years ago and driven about 60,000 kilometers. But since I know the previous owner, I can say for sure that it was last cleaned at least 150,000 kilometer ago, if it was ever cleaned at all. So let's get started. So in every car the throttle body can be found near the intake manifold. In the Celica, for example, it's located here. As you can see, it's not too complicated to remove. Just a few bolts and connectors, and it's off. Since there are two electrical connectors on it, I'll start by disconnecting the battery terminals. I think it's enough to remove the air hose from this end, and then disconnected the throttle cable, and I have the direct access to the 4 bolts holding it in place. So in the back of the air filter hose there is a this is the intake air temperature sensor. You need to remove that if you want to remove this box. And this connector is I think this is the throttle position sensor, so need to remove this connector, and this is you need to disconnect this connector too, and of course the throttle cable. There is a mount with 2 bolts, so I'm just disconnect the cable, and after I remove this mounting, and there is a easier access to the hose with the resonator box. So this is a 12 mil. I need to be gentle these connectors because it's 31 years old plastic, and it easily can be broken. If you push a screwdriver in it, it's gonna be easier. So I can't remove it easily. There are two. I think this is a water hose, and the other one too, for sure. And so I need to remove these two hoses to remove the throttle body. But I think it's not too bad. Since I couldn't remove the water hoses because I was afraid they might break if I force them too much, and I need the car tomorrow. I will clean it in place. It's actually not looking bad. There's some dirt on it, but I've seen worse. So now I'm gonna clean. So I just need to find something to put underneath it, and then I can start cleaning. I'm going to use throttle body cleaner and a brush. So this is what I'm gonna use. This is a throttle body cleaner and a regular brush. It says, I think it's a cheap detailing brush, but it's gonna be perfect for this job. So I'm done with the cleaning. Now it's so much cleaner. So now I'm just need to put back everything and start the car. First I'm just hand tighten everything in a cross pattern. Okay, and now with the ratchet. The manifold is aluminum, so it needs to be carefully tightened the bolts because the thread easily can broken. So just be gentle when you tighten the bolts. Okay. Need to put back the throttle cable. That's it. So every bolt is gonna be tightened. The cable is here. This vacuum line is here. The connectors done. I think I'm. Oh, yes, of course. I almost forgot the intake temperature sensor. Okay, that's done. So now I just need to put back the battery terminal and start the car. I think it's worked very well. So this is how you can clean a throttle body in a Celica or any car. So thanks for the watching.